Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution again. So today in this video we're going to see one of the AWS interview questions, that is how to change the public IP address, of an EC2 instance without using Elastic IP. So the interviewer is trying to test your knowledge on public IP addresses as well as the Elastic IP addresses. Okay, so now my instance is already been attached with one public IP addresses by default. I want to change the public IP address of the instances. Okay, but I should not use the Elastic IP address. Okay, because maybe that I have some issues with the IP addresses, whatever is already there, but I don't want to use Elastic IP addresses, but I just want to change the public IP addresses of the EC2 instance. It is possible. Okay, so but it is possible. So by changing, change the public IP addresses of an EC2 instance by restarting an instance. Okay, so what happens is that so whenever you're restarting instance, the public IP address will automatically will get changed. So interviewer may also test your knowledge on, I have an application. Okay, so now how to protect the instance, from being, changing the IP address. Okay, so and you should know that so if you restart the instance, the public IP address will change. Okay, for some of the instances, you should never be changing the public IP addresses of an instance, because whenever you change the public IP address of an instances, okay, so your application may goes down because you have configured your DNS for the public IP addresses, so that in this case the application may goes down. Okay, that is the reason why you have to be very careful in restarting the machine. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is that I have one machine, which is cloud institution instance. Okay, so now you can see the 43.204.229.224 is the public IP addresses whatever I'm having now. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here and I'm going to do instance state. Okay, and stop instance. Okay, I'm going to stop the instance, and 244 is the instance public IP address whatever I already have. Okay, so instance is getting stopped now. Okay, it may take a while to stop the instances. Okay, so as you can see, so we can see that as soon as the instance is getting stopped, we can see that public IP address by default, will be disappear from here. But whereas if you have attached Elastic IP for this instance, okay, as you can see here, the public IP address has been disappeared from here. Okay, so now if you can restart start the instance again, okay, it's in pending state. Okay, it's still in pending state. So once when the instance it's in running state, you'll be getting the new public IP address. So as you can see here, sorry, as you can see here, the new public IP address has been assigned to this instance. Okay, but what happens, so if you're added this, so this public IP address to the DNS, if you configure the DNS with this public IP addresses, and if you restart the instance, okay, so your application may goes down. Okay, so that is the reason why you should be very careful in restarting the instances. Okay, so now the indirect, so the interviewer may ask you the indirect question that how to change the public IP address of an instance without using the Elastic IP. Okay, so the answer is going to be you can change the public IP of an EC2 instance by restarting the instance. Okay, so hope this scenario was really helpful for you. Okay, so if you wanted to see more videos like this, please follow, likes, comments, share, subscribe. So I see you again in the next video. Thank you.